Here's everything you need to know about this electric grill brush. First thing you need to know is it's strong. I've tried some others that were puny and they wouldn't even clean the grill. You couldn't put any pressure on them. Not this guy. It is strong, and then it has this guy that protects you from all of the flying particles coming back at you. And it has a flashlight. Look at that guy. So if you're working at night and you need to see what you're doing, this guy's got you covered. Listen to how it works. Oh, so cool. And you can easily take this guy off, wash it in the dishwasher, and it's ready to go again. And in case you're wondering, that is stainless steel. This guy is a beast. I highly recommend it. Buy one today.